have now this LED module, 2-pin header, LED blinker, blue. So this is an LED blinker, blue blinker. We're going to connect these to adjustable power supply. Okay, this is a jumper wires and connect positive to positive, negative, positive. So this is LED blinker, self-oscillating. So it has its own oscillator inside the bulb. So you can see here there's no driver, just blue blinker. And it has 3 volts, 3.08 volts, and alternative flashing at 5 milliampere, on off. So it is in on off condition. What are we going to do, or what is our objective for today? We're going to use this buzzer, 3 volts to 24 volts, SFM 27. This is buzzer, 3 volts to 24 volts. And again, let us test the buzzer. Positive, the red, connected, and then the negative. This is continuous buzzer, but we're going to make a backup horn. So it is connected to the jumper wires, female. Okay? We're going to test what is the voltage, 3 to 24 volts. 3.07 volts. So you can hear that it is continuous. We're going to make that an intermittent. We now connected the LED blinker, blue blinker, in series with the buzzer. Remember that this is a continuous beeping sound. And we're going to create a backup horn. Let us suggest what is the voltage we're going to use to make this backup horn. At 5 volts, from continuous it becomes intermittent or backup horn. At 6 volts, so you can see at 6 volts, we have a new backup horn using this LED blue blinker as a driver to the buzzer. They are connected in series. We have now this circuit. The supply 6 volts from adjustable. Then the LED blue blinker. The anode to the 6 volts. Then the cathode to the positive of the buzzer. Negative to the ground. So they are connected in series. For the blue blinker, we need 3 volts. Then for the buzzer, we need 3 volts. So voltage in series is to be added. Voltage 1 plus voltage 2. Voltage of the blue LED 3 volts plus 3 volts. So we need 6 volts. So voltage supply. Voltage in series, addition to be added. Okay? And then, why is it that this buzzer, this is supposedly continuous beeping sound, beep. It becomes now a backup horn or a reversing horn alarm, usually used in for backing a vehicle or a car. Why is it become intermittent or become a backup? Because of this blinker. This blinker is self-oscillating. So it has its own oscillator inside the LED. It creates a pre-WM on-off signal that would serve as a driver to the buzzer. So now the buzzer that is initially a continuous will become now a backup horn due to the modulator. This is the modulator, sound modulator. PWM, it becomes on, off. So we created this backup horn because of this self-oscillating LED blinker, which is a PWM generator that will make this buzzer to become intermittent, have instead of continuous beeping sound, will now become a backup horn or intermittent sound, on off sound. Okay, so it becomes now backup horn due to the on off signal created by this blue blinker. It modulates you can see it is connected in series, so it modulates the current. Instead of continuous current, becomes now on off current because of these pulses created by this blue blinker, this self-oscillating LED.